Hi Aaron, yeah, I downloaded a copy of your site, updated it, it worked right away. So that tells me you probably have what's called a corrupt cache in your computer. It's a known issue with Dreamweaver, but I'm just having a little look here just to go and pull up the wall clock. Okay, so let's go take a look at this, and I'm going to look at the sitemap page in here. So if I hover over here, and there's the Twitter account, if I click on that, it takes me to Twitter, the wall clock, which is probably where you want to go. So I'm just going to change that right here. I've tidied up the code a little so it makes it a little bit easier to read. Where's your Twitter account? There's LinkedIn. Here's Twitter, the wall clock. I'm just going to remove that. Okay, I'm going to save it and update it. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to just test to see how it's going through all the pages here in the update pages. 17 files are updated. I didn't download the whole site, I just downloaded most of it. There's the sitemap has the asterisk, which tells me that it's changed. I'm going to save and preview. All right, now if I click on Twitter, it should take me just to the Twitter website itself, which it did. Okay, so I'll go back to the page, I'll undo my, right, we'll save it one more time and update. Right, there's the sitemap page yet again with the little asterisk. It said 17 pages updated. I'm just going to Control S to save that, preview it again, click on Twitter, and there we go. Now we're at your page there. So it is updating. Now that tells me that you probably have a corrupt cache. Now what a corrupt cache is, it's when you first define a site in Dreamweaver, when you first create it, Dreamweaver creates a cache file. And what the cache file does is keeps record basically of all the library assets. Now in Dreamweaver we have your assets right here. Okay, and that's what we're using for your library files or for your updates. There's the little library book right there, the asset panel. These are all the things, basically they're includes. And Dreamweaver keeps track of them all, so that way when you update one asset, whatever page is using that asset gets updated properly. But the cache for that can become corrupt. So I'm going to show you a little trick here to see how we can, maybe you can sort it out here. Okay, so I'm going to go into your customer folder right here. I've created a customer folder for you, and I've defined this as just a folder called web. All right, so yours is probably still in the website. You're probably still using website. So here's what you're going to do is just copy the folder, copy your website folder, and paste it. All right, and then just rename it to the date. So this is a website February 2nd. Okay, and I want you to go back into Dreamweaver, go to the site menu, go to new site, and Feb 2. All right, give the site a new name, and then under the local site folder, click the browse button and open up and go into website February 2. Okay, so basically you're going to define a new site based off a copy of your existing site. And because we've changed the folder name, it sort of sometimes tricks Dreamweaver into fixing the corrupted cache. Okay, so we select and then we hit save, and then boom, there's our site, and now you can go in and you should be able to update it. I'm going to post this back to the server for you so you can download it. But I don't think it's going to make any difference. I think you need to make a new folder for your site, define a new site, and then Dreamweaver will create a new cache, which should hopefully correct the problem.